guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Grace. So, as you could see, that's probably the first thing that you noticed, right? When you clicked on this one. Is that what you came for? You know, this eye look? Yes, it's hella dramatic. But I wanted to do the most in this video. I was thinking, you know, I want to do something creative, something with glitter, something with color, and I want to be hella extra. And so, you know, I used the glitter, I did the cut crease, I did a wing liner, I did a smoky eye, I did the color. Full coverage, just beat down. Like, I went in. This is what I came up with. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. And thank you so much for coming back. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it at the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button down below. If you're not already subscribed, please, please, please subscribe for some more videos from me this 2018 year. Oh my god. And comment down below what you want to see from me next. Whether that's, it can be anything. It doesn't have to be makeup related. It can be anything. I would love to see what you guys have to say. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you later. Peace. Alright, so we're just going to jump into this eye look. Right now I'm just applying some concealer on my eyelids, and we're using this as an eyeshadow base. So this is just going to cover up any discoloration and make the eye look poppin'. So this is a really important step. I'm going to go in with a sponge and blend it out so it's nice and smooth. And yeah. Now, I kind of winged this look. I didn't plan it. So I wanted to use a base color, and I wanted a warm brown. So I just grabbed this. It's a face powder, but you can just grab any warm brown eyeshadow or face powder or whatever that you want to use. But I grabbed it with a large blending brush, and I'm just blending this all over my lid, and I'm bringing it quite far out on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking this Morphe 12P palette with this orange shade and a smaller blending brush. I'm just going to go right over that first shade that we applied, and this is going to be our second transition color. So you really want to spend your time and blend, blend, blend. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35O palette with this dark brown shade, and I'm just going to go lower down on my eye right into my crease, and I'm just taking my time and really blending this out as well and deepening up the color. And I really want this to be really intense. So take a little bit of color and blend it out, add more, blend it out, add more. Now with a smaller detailed brush, I'm just going to cut out my crease. So as I said before, I kind of winged this look. So I didn't know I was going to do a cut crease. I just wanted a bold color on the lid. So that's why you see me blending it out. But I'm just going to go back in and actually cut out the crease. Now the blending brush that we use for the dark brown shade, I'm just blending out the edges of this just so it's nice and seamless. Now I'm taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter, and this is going to be our eyeshadow base as well. So I'm applying this with a flat brush on the outer and inner parts of our lid. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Nudes palette, and with this gold shade, I'm going to apply that right over the ColourPop that we applied. Now I'm going back in with some concealer. This is a lighter shade, and I wanted to apply this right in the center because I got a little bit of gold on there, so just wanted to clean that up for our silver shade that we're going to apply. So I'm taking my Morphe 12Z palette, and I'm taking this top silver shade, and I'm applying that right in the center and kind of blending it in to the gold shades a little bit on the sides. Now the gold wasn't as gold as I wanted, so with the 12Z palette, I'm just going to take this bottom yellow color, and this is just going to make it a little more gold. Now I'm taking the NYX silver glitter liner, and I'm applying this right in the center of my lid to add some glitter. For eyeliner today, I decided to use a black shadow and an angled brush. I wanted my eyeliner to be quite smoky and blended out. So with a pencil brush, I'm just blending this liner out. Now that we've got the liner blended out, I'm going in with the light cream shade, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with this. Now with the cotton round, I'm just taking some eye makeup remover and I'm just going to clean up the edges of my eyeshadow. That was the reason why I brought out my eyeshadow so far, was because I really wanted something to clean up and give a nice straight, sharp edge. Now I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm just going to line my lower waterline and my upper tight line. Going with my Morphe 12P palette and a pencil brush, I'm just going to take this purple matte shade and I'm just going to run this on my lower lash line and blend it in with the liner as well. Taking my Morphe 12Z palette, I'm going to go in with these top two shades. They're like purple shimmering colors. I'm going to go over that purple that we put on our lash line. Now for this part, I wanted to have a little bit of a liner on the bottom over the purple. So I'm going in with some concealer to carve out my little line. And I'm just drawing this about 2/3 of the way into my lash line. I'm going to go back in with the 12Z palette silver color and I'm just placing that right over the concealer. And then into my NYX silver glitter liner, I'm just going to put some glitter right over that silver line. For mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I did apply some lashes. I just doubled up some Ardell Wispies. And that's all for the eyes. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Away We Glow liquid illuminator. So I'm just going to apply this on the tops of my cheekbones and blend it out with the fan brush. And over top that, I'm going to set it with the BECCA Cosmetics highlighter in the color Champagne Pop. Now I'm taking this Tarte lip color and I'll list all the products that I'm using in the description box below. And I'm going to add some gloss, and that is it for the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!